We have a problem. Our world is warming. Storms are getting stronger. Winters are getting harsher. Water levels are getting higher. We are using more resources than our planet can provide. We all know it, but none of big businesses' sustainability pledges have made enough of a difference. The only way to elicit real change is to completely rejig the way business is done. One part of this overhaul is called regenerative retail. So, what is regenerative retail? Retail, that's the easy part. It's any company that produces something that we buy. From burgers to handbags to batteries, these companies might not all sell to us directly, but as long as they are using physical resources to create products, they are part of the retail sector. Regenerative is a little more multifaceted. Basically, it means that these products are part of a circular system. Rather than something existing in a straight line, being made, sold, then thrown away, the process goes around in a circle. The resources put into a product aren't lost when the buyer no longer wants or needs it. Instead, they are returned into the system somehow. That can mean simply making new plastic bottles out of old recycled ones, but often the process is much more complex because there are so many different materials to account for. In order for retail to be truly regenerative, we need to understand the whole system. Everything that went into making the product needs to be visible, from the materials used in its manufacture to the workers actually putting it together. Things that often go unnoticed would be clear to see. For example, if a retailer hires a fair trade manufacturer to make its product, but the manufacturer contracts out the work to a cheaper site with different standards, the true human and environmental cost of the product isn't truly known. In a regenerative retail system, everything would be tracked digitally. This is when business becomes truly smart. In the past, companies have intentionally avoided this kind of openness. Businesses acted in silos because they believed the best way to succeed was to keep their trade secrets secret. In regenerative retail, businesses need to do the opposite. Be completely open about what they're doing and how they're doing it. This radical openness would lead to radical collaboration. Companies working together to perfect manufacturing processes, so no resource is wasted. This may seem like a futuristic endeavor, but SAP has already started. SAP's Responsible Design and Production is a framework solution for waste materials. Starting with a solution to manage plastic, the software allows companies to report on their packaging production and enables companies to design and produce their products with sustainable business practices. SAP Responsible Design and Production is a practical solution that supports businesses with new tax demands as recycled plastic quotas become a legal requirement. But it is also an effective way to map out and manage a product's life cycle. Only when you can see where your waste is coming from can you find ways to eliminate it. And this is just one piece of the puzzle. As more companies embrace the regenerative retail mindset and begin to collaborate, we'll finally be able to make a positive difference to our planet.